everybody, welcome back to Livin Large with LCruu, the adventure vlog. Guess where we are? It's kind of hard to tell because we're in a crusty parking lot at the moment. We're in Vegas! We're going to see TIESTO at Tao for the pool party for EDC week, and this is just like a mini vlog of what that looks like. I'm so excited. Let's get tan, let's get turned up, let's enjoy the beautiful day. We must start with coffee. Literally just flew into Vegas 15 minutes ago, and we're gonna basically go and change and then go to the pool party. Okay, y'all, sitting on the floor. I just got this camera, and it's like an updated version of my other camera that I always use. And why do I feel like this is the widest angle? Is this just because it's like the full scope? I can't even tell. This is haunted. This keeps opening up on its own. I'm just happy to be in Vegas. I'm so excited because we're going to see TIESTO at Tao. This is a pool party, or this is a beach club that I've never been to, and I'm very excited to see what it's all about. There was a lot to it. We found a parking spot. It was a little bit troubling, but we made it. We had to pregame with our White Claws. Okay, we're walking through the resorts, and every single person has told us a different way to get to the Tao Beach Club. So we're just trying to hustle and get to where we need to go because it's confusing.
We've had a million now, let's get down to business. Mama, please don't tell me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Light it up!
$150 for 2 drinks? $150 for 2 drinks. So I'm just documenting if you're gonna go to a pool party, the trick is to pregame as much as possible. Okay, we have to eat now because otherwise we will not survive tonight at EDC. So the first place outside of Tao was like a pizza place, and so we're stuffing our faces, so we survived tonight. The sun is already going down over Las Vegas, beautiful, fabulous Las Vegas, and it's time to get ready for the actual festival now. I definitely recommend, if you're going to EDC, doing EDC week, I definitely recommend doing the pool parties. They're a ton of fun. Part of me wants to say get there earlier, but if you want to see the headliner or the person who's actually playing the event, I would say don't get there early because, for example, the pool party today that we went to started at 11 a.m. TIESTO, who was the headliner, did not come on until, what was it, 3 or 3:30, and then played till like 5:30. So just kind of depending on your timeline. I also definitely want to say like pace yourself because like we were drinking and I just took like an hour and a half nap, which I totally needed because I need to be able to rally for tonight. I also didn't like drink too heavily, which I have done in the past, is make that mistake of going so hard at the pool party that I literally am like, don't even feel like getting ready for EDC and all that. And like that takes the fun out of it for me personally. Also, like I said, pregame, because let me tell you, the drinks there were expensive. One round of 2 drinks, and I mean, granted, we got like a pina colada and like a mango margarita or something. It was like $150 in total for 2 drinks. Those prices have gone up in the past few years, like everything. But overall, it was a ton of fun. Definitely recommend. Just a great way to get the energy up. I ran into people who aren't even going to the actual festival. They're just doing EDC week events, and that's also an awesome option, a different way if you want to save money but still want to celebrate EDC week. And now make sure that you head over to my channel and watch the full-length EDC vlog. I can have it linked up here in the corner. It was a last-minute send, so make sure you check it out and make sure you subscribe on your way out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep living large, and I'll catch you on the flip.